How to fix Hearts of Iron 4 not launching. Welcome back to Tenebalta. If you are experiencing an incredibly frustrating issue where Hearts of Iron 4 refuses to launch, you are in the right place. Our team has conducted a deep dive investigation into this specific boot failure, running extensive diagnostics on the Paradox launcher and the core game engine. We understand how annoying it is to press play, see the game register as running, and then suddenly reset without any error message. Today, we are sharing our exclusive, comprehensive technical solutions to completely eradicate this issue. Our primary diagnostic step is bypassing the launcher entirely by running the executable directly from the Steam directory. We found this instantly bypasses launcher-related startup crashes and allows you to play immediately. Simply navigate to your game installation folder and launch the application straight from the source. During our investigation, we discovered that corrupted local configurations in the Documents folder cause silent crashes. Deleting the Hearts of Iron Roman 4 folder inside your Documents directory forces the game to generate fresh, stable files upon the next boot. This completely refreshes your local cache without touching your core game files. Tenebalta's analysis revealed that standard uninstalls leave broken registry keys behind, which continue to break the launcher. You must use the Windows uninstaller to remove the Paradox launcher, then manually delete its hidden application data folders. Reinstalling it after this deep clean restores its core functionality. We tested this specific fix and confirmed that deeply corrupted Windows account permissions block the launcher from executing properly. Creating a fresh, secondary administrator profile in Windows provides a clean, untainted environment for the game to run. This isolates the problem from your primary daily use account settings. Corrupted localized files or missing dynamic link libraries often disrupt the boot sequence right at the start. Running the Steam file integrity verification ensures every single core component matches the official repository. This process downloads and replaces any missing bytes that are preventing the engine from starting. Our testing showed that strict security software aggressively blocks Paradox launcher's background processes, mistaking them for threats. Adding the entire game directory to your antivirus and ransomware exception list prevents these false positives. This guarantees the launcher has the network and system access it requires. Execution privilege conflicts frequently halt the launcher initialization phase before the interface even renders. Right-clicking both Steam and the game executable to run them as an administrator grants the necessary system-level access. This simple elevation of privileges bypasses strict Windows security roadblocks. We discovered that outdated or missing Visual C++ runtime libraries cause an immediate failure upon hitting the play button. Downloading and installing the latest official packages from Microsoft resolves this critical dependency error. The game engine absolutely requires these libraries to process its underlying code. Outdated graphics processing unit instruction sets fail to render the initial game engine boot sequence, leading to a silent crash. Performing a clean installation of your graphics drivers ensures full compatibility with the Clausewitz engine. We highly recommend using a specialized driver removal tool before installing the latest version. Fullscreen exclusive mode often crashes on modern multi-monitor setups during the initial display handshake. Modifying the configuration text file to force borderless windowed mode completely circumvents this display conflict. This allows the game to render safely within the Windows Desktop Manager environment. Windows attempts to overlay its own gaming optimizations, which we found directly interferes with the game's rendering pipeline. Disabling the full-screen optimizations feature in the executable properties restores native rendering stability. This stops the operating system from injecting unnecessary code into the game process. Outdated or conflicting community modifications frequently corrupt the boot configuration logic, especially after a major patch. Unsubscribing from all Steam Workshop mods and manually deleting the modification folder guarantees a vanilla, stable startup environment. You can slowly reintroduce your favorite mods once the base game is stable. Deep-rooted Windows system file corruption invisibly stops background services required by the game to authenticate. Running the system file checker command in an elevated command prompt repairs these critical operating system sectors. This ensures your Windows architecture is structurally sound enough to support heavy applications. Third-party background applications, especially gaming overlays and capture software, inject code that crashes the game on startup. Executing a clean boot isolates your system, ensuring only essential Microsoft services run during gameplay. This eliminates software conflicts stemming from other applications fighting for system resources. Outdated operating system kernels lack the necessary application programming interface updates required by modern launcher iterations. Installing all pending Windows updates ensures the backend architecture fully supports the latest software frameworks. A fully updated system is mandatory for stable gaming performance. Sector degradation on your primary storage drive can result in unreadable game files that fail to load into memory. Moving the entire game installation to a completely different solid-state drive forces a healthy data allocation. This hardware-level shift rules out failing sectors as the root cause. The Paradox launcher requires a stable, uninterrupted handshake with authentication servers to proceed past the loading screen. Flushing your domain name system cache and resetting network protocols clears any blocked communication channels. This refreshes your connection routing and removes stale data packets. As an absolute final resort, our deepest troubleshooting confirmed that unrecoverable operating system degradation requires a complete wipe. Formatting your computer and installing a fresh copy of Windows guarantees the elimination of all software conflicts. This powerful solution provides a pristine slate for your gaming environment. Don't forget to follow Tenabalta for more.